CruxMotorsports. I'm going to be showing you today how to apply our wheel overlays on this 2024 plus Chevy Trax RS. The film that we're going to be showing you today is a gloss black. The factory paint has like a little bit of metallic in it. We're going to try to find a solution for that, but at this point the gloss black is going to be the closest match that you're not really going to notice unless you're literally right up on the wheel. So first, you want to clean the wheel and then clean it again. And then once you're done doing that, clean it one more time. The biggest thing on this is making sure the wheel is clean. Obviously the wheels pick up a lot of road debris and brake dust. So especially in the groove around where the wheel ends and the tire begins, you definitely want to clean that wheel very well. You can wash the vehicle, wash the wheel, and then I would go back over it with a microfiber with a rubbing alcohol and water mixture on it, just to make sure that everything is off the wheel. That's the biggest thing on installing these wheel overlays. So let's begin. This is a dry application. It is an air release film, so you're not gonna get bubbles or anything unless you pick up debris. Some tools that you're gonna need for today are a squeegee and a heat source. You could either use a heat gun or you could use a hair dryer. Either one will work for you. So let's go ahead and get to it. So once everything is cleaned, just go ahead and peel the overlay off the backing paper. And then these overlays are a little bit bigger than the factory machine face. So just as long as when you initially align it, all of that face is covered, you can go ahead and start to work the material down. Don't want to do that. It is a very forgiving film, so if you do mess up, you'll be fine. So let's go ahead and get the squeegee. Make sure that's set on the wheel. I'm just going to go back over it with my fingertips just to make sure. So you're going to have a little bit of overhang here. This is going to get tucked, and then we're going to go around like the entire face of the wheel to sort of roll it over the edge. So next part is a little bit difficult. When you pull this clear transfer tape layer off, the film is going to want to pull up. So be mindful of that. You can try to work down that edge as best as you can. Then get behind the backing or the transfer tape. Start to peel up a little bit. Then I'm just going to use my fingertip to work this edge down all the way around. And then on the outside as well. So then we're going to hit this top part with heat and then go over the entire thing with heat. Using heat gun, you can do it on low setting if you have hair dryer, high setting. So I'm just going to go over the body of the film first. This will reveal any bubbles that you might have in it. You get a bubble, you can press it down. And then this top section, we're going to do that next. You can start to see the film sort of change shape. When you know it's good to go. You don't need a whole lot of heat on it to manipulate it. Start to work it down with that squeegee. I'm going to go over that one more time with the heat. Really make sure that film is in that groove. So that's pretty much it. It's a pretty straightforward installation. I'm going to speed up the next part of this video just so you're not bored with the redundancy of doing this 4 more times, and then we'll get back to it. So again, this is the gloss black film. If you're interested to purchase the product, the link is in the video description below. It's pretty straightforward installation, nothing too crazy. You just want to make sure you got the stuff aligned. That's the biggest thing. So if you do have a misalignment, you could always pull the film up and reposition it. But other than that, it's a pretty straightforward installation, like I said. If you have any questions, feel free to drop us a line. Our contact information is on our website. And thanks for watching.